This is the second salt that is produced by using brine, and this is in continuation with the production of baking soda. So once the baking soda is produced, if we further the process, then another salt, which is commonly called washing soda, can also be prepared. So it is in the same Solvay's process. Right, now I've written over there the chemical formula for the sodium carbonate decahydrate or washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O. This is the water of crystallization that is there. It is commonly called washing soda. It is prepared by heating baking soda. When we heat baking soda, this can be prepared. When you are heating it, the baking soda is going to decompose and it is going to give you sodium carbonate along with water and carbon dioxide. This is anhydrous. Anhydrous means it is dry, it does not have water in it. Now when we are going to leave this setup for cooling, then this sodium carbonate are going to recrystallize. That means crystallization is going to happen when the solution is going to become cooled, and this sodium carbonate is going to get associated with the water that is here, like I've shown over here. Sodium carbonate gets associated with the water and it gives you sodium carbonate decahydrate, which is commonly called the washing soda. So this is the process by which or how we can prepare the washing soda. These are the uses of washing soda. It is used to remove the permanent hardness of water. Hard water, I believe most of you should be knowing. This is water that contains dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium. Right? If it has carbonates or sulfates, then it is temporary hardness. If it has bicarbonates and bisulfates, then it is permanent hardness. So permanent hardness cannot be removed by boiling. So sodium bicarbonate, or commonly called washing soda, is used for that. It can be used for cleaning at home at domestic levels. It is used in paper industry, and it is also used for making certain compounds such as the glass, soap and borax. So these are some of the listed uses of washing soda.